YouTube video retention rates explained for beginners. This refers to how much of your YouTube video the viewers are watching. If the majority of your YouTube audience is watching 5 minutes of your 10-minute YouTube video, the retention rate for the YouTube video would be 50%. If you want your YouTube channel to be successful, your retention rate is a big deal. YouTube will reward engaging YouTube videos that keep viewers watching, so you always want to participate in good practices that will help you improve your YouTube video retention rates. We hope you enjoyed this short video about YouTube video retention rates. Please click the link below this video to claim your YouTube SEO 8-part series in YouTube backlink generator software for free. Thank you and have a great day.